Good morning. We have so many habits in our life system that spoil our life. Not only personal lives, social life. The society is losing peace. For example, the pan chewing, smoking, drinking alcohol, drugs. See, so many things are part of our life. What do we do? Do we have concern about this? We blame the persons who are addicted to all these things, but we have no concern to eradicate all these things. Then, do we have the right to expect peace? So, what we can do in a small way, a small micro action, I am asking myself whether I have any idea about how these habits spoil the body. Our ancestors told the drinks not only spoil the body, they spoil the soul also. But we are not aware of soul. Leave it. But we have to give some time how this chewing pan spoils this body. Likewise, we have to explore what happens to this body if a person drinks or smoke or consume drugs. Once you get the data, why don't we share it to others? Just sharing and sharing the concern. Oh, we have to get free from all these things. But we are afraid of this COVID virus, but we are not afraid of these evils. So for these 21 days, let us take at least one for smoking, how this cigarette spoils the whole life system, how a drunkard spoils the whole family. So let us take exact data and try to share with our friends. Small action, but as a culmination, it would uphold the whole society in health and hygiene, leading to peace. Can we do it? Thank you.